Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights into our living a balanced life. I'm your host, Darin. In today's episode, we'll journey into the profound relationship between the ego self and the higher self. We'll explore how these two inner voices shape our experience and how we can transcend illusion to awaken our true essence. The ego self is our conscious identity, the I we often believe ourselves to be. It's shaped by our experience, conditioning, and personal narrative. The role of the ego is to help us navigate the world, make decisions, and protect ourselves. But when we over-identify with it, it seeks control, validation, and separation. In a spiritual perspective, many traditions see the ego as an illusion, a mask that hides our divine nature. Transcending ego reveals our interconnectedness with all life. On the other hand, the higher self is our soul's wisdom, the divine spark within us. It's loving, compassionate, and deeply connected to universal truth. It observes without judgment, responds without clarity, and guides us toward purpose, peace. In contrast with the ego, where ego reacts, the higher self responds. Where ego separates, the higher self unites. Where ego fears, the higher self loves. Mindfulness meditation is a good practice to help align. Observe thoughts without attachment. Notice when ego speaks and choose to listen to the higher self. Self-inquiry. Ask, who am I beneath the story? What is my soul trying to express? Gratitude practices shift focus from lack to abundance. Gratitude softens the ego and opens the heart. Acts of kindness dissolve self-centeredness. They remind us we are part of something greater. Connect to nature. Spend time in nature, in stillness. Let the trees, the wind, the sky remind you of unity. The ego balances the primal identity, the moralistic ego, and external reality. It's a mediator, but not our deepest truth. Self-justification. The ego often justifies our actions to maintain a constant identity. Awareness of this pattern helps us respond with integrity. A balanced ego supports boundaries and self-worth. But spiritual growth requires we loosen its grip. In relationships, The ego seeks to be right, to be seen, to be safe. But the higher self seeks connection, understanding, and truth. Transcending ego allows us to express our true nature. We become more honest, more open, more free. Understanding the ego self is a sacred step towards awakening. By observing its patterns and choosing to align with the higher self, we begin to live from love, not fear. Let your breath be your guide. Let your soul be your compass. And let your life be a reflection of your highest truth. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the ego and the higher self. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected. And follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, namaste.